come today in an investigation involving Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrill. An Orleans Parish grand jury is considering whether to take action after an unusual investigation tied to letters that Liz Murrill sent to New Orleans city leaders. We do have team coverage for you on this as we have two crews at the courthouse this morning. We are waiting for any developments that may come today. Let's start with WDSU Investigates reporter Cassie Sherm for more on what we're expecting and what makes this case and this investigation so unique. Cassie?
That's right. So this case is getting a lot of attention right now, not just because the Louisiana Attorney General is connected to this, but also because of how we started here. Now, I do want to say we do currently have a reporter in the courtroom waiting any moment to see if this is going to come by. But in the meantime, let's talk about how we got here. So sources tell WDSU members of the Orleans Parish grand jury initiated an investigation themselves, a rare move that's legal under Louisiana law because the investigation involves the state's top prosecutor. Orleans Parish District Attorney Jason Williams recused himself. Now, Criminal District Judge Leon Roche appointed former Criminal District Judge Lori White as a special prosecutor to present the case to the grand jury. Sources tell WDSU numerous witnesses have already testified. Now, the investigation centers on letters Murrill sent to Mayor Helena Moreno, District Attorney Jason Williams, and 5 New Orleans City Council members during the legal battle over the Orleans Parish Clerk of Court position. In those letters, Murrill warned the officials that their actions could violate Louisiana's usurper laws and put their own offices in jeopardy. Now, Moreno called the letter a threat and said she would not be intimidated. Murrill yesterday said that she does not know anything about this case.
Obviously, I stand behind the letters that I sent. The Constitution of our state allows the legislature to legislate when it involves the Orleans clerk's office. It also allows them to legislate as it relates to judges. There is a new lawsuit filed on that as well.
Now, the grand jury could choose to do one of multiple things. They can either choose to basically decline any charges, they could indict, or they could choose to take no action at all. Now, we're going to be here at the courthouse all day to give you guys the latest information, so make sure you guys are staying tuned with WDSU. Reporting here at Orleans Parish Court, I'm Cassie Sherm. Back to you.
And Cassie,